What's up guys, so now it's time to do a quick speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A51 and the iPhone X. The Samsung Galaxy A51 is a new mid-range smartphone from the Samsung. So let's compare it with the iPhone X and let's find out which one is faster and which one you should buy between both of the smartphones. So the first test will be a boot up test and let's see who would be the winner of the first boot up test. For all those who haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe for more upcoming updates regarding smartphones comparison, speed test, unboxing and much more, as logos are moving around on both of the smartphones. Galaxy A51, well, the boot up test won by the iPhone X and the Samsung Galaxy A51 is still taking time. Well, it was around 6 seconds difference between both of the smartphones while starting up. Everything is closed in the background on both of the smartphones and we are gonna starting from some basic stuff. The first one we have got phone dialer. Well, faster on the iPhone X. Settings. Again faster on the iPhone X. Smash hit. And let's see. Well, faster on the iPhone X. PUBG mobile game. Well, it was pretty much faster on the iPhone X. KineMaster. Again faster on the iPhone X here. Pin out. Slightly faster on the iPhone X here. Hill climb 2. Well, the first application won by the Samsung Galaxy A51 Z. Again slightly faster on the iPhone X here. Subway Surfers. Faster on the iPhone X. Color switch. Well, it was exactly at the same time on both of the smartphones. Fruit Ninja. Quicker on the iPhone X. Temple Run 2. Well, slightly faster on the Samsung Galaxy A51. So guys, it was a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy A51 and the iPhone X. As you guys saw here, every single test won by the iPhone X and the Samsung Galaxy A51 was following up in every single test. So if you guys are thinking to buy any of these two smartphones, especially for gaming purpose, in my opinion, the iPhone X is much better as compared to the Galaxy A51. Thank you guys for watching our videos and keep supporting us.